Welcome to the office. This is a bit of easy content to show you a bit of work I've been doing. So, I've had a short shift mechanism for about a year now. Haven't had a chance to fit it because there's been loads of other things I've needed to do that have been more of a priority. So, yeah, finally yesterday I gave it a go. And here it is. Yeah, that is some sort of Z3 short shift mechanism. It's got a longer one of these at the bottom. This is the old one, which means it's a shorter throw and quicker gear changes, hopefully. Yeah, that's pretty nasty. If you're ever doing one of these, and you look at the E30 Zone guide, it's great, but what I didn't get from the guide is, until about 45 minutes in, is you're meant to get your screwdriver in there, get it in there, push this counterclockwise, and then what you should be able to do is push one of the thick tabs, okay? So on here, it's that one in the middle, because it's got a bit of a lip on it. So if you turn this counterclockwise, and then you push that bit in with your screwdriver, and if you do the other side as well, there's a hole there. Yep. You can push the plastic in, and you can get it, both tabs, because they're that side and that side. Get both tabs to release, and then you can pull it out. What does that do for the shift? Well, if you saw my old videos, well, everything up till now, yeah, there's quite a lot of movement. Whereas now, you've got that. It felt really weird when I first put this in. It felt like something wasn't quite working, but yeah. It's not the shortest throw you can do. Apparently it's one of the best compromises you can do. So, yeah, from there to there. Believe me, that's a lot shorter than it used to be. But we go from there, 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 there. And if we're really in trouble, we do there, which is reverse. Happy with that. What's that? About a tenth or two a lap. Wishful thinking, but anyway, dead happy with that. I just need to make sure that rod, when it's changing gear, doesn't interfere with the prop shaft, and then we're good to go.